Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Delta Dental account password, recovery guide step by step clearly. To reset your Delta Dental account password, start by visiting the Delta Dental website. Locate the sign in button on the home page. Click on the sign in button to access the login page. On the login page, you will see an option that says Forgot Password. Click the Forgot Password link. You will be directed to a password recovery page. Enter the email address associated with your Delta Dental account. Double-check to ensure the email address is correct. After entering your email, click on the Submit button. A password reset link will be sent to your email address. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Delta Dental. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, open it and look for the password reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. You will be redirected to a page to create a new password. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. Enter your new password in the designated field. Re-enter the password to confirm it. After confirming, click the Submit button to save your new password. You should see a confirmation message indicating your password has been successfully reset. Now, return to the Delta Dental login page. Enter your email address and the new password. Click the Sign In button to access your account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Delta Dental customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.